I'm Amber Bell, and this is Real Agriculture. Here today with Alan Hall, who is a manager at ARECA. And there's been some news, Alan. So welcome and talk to me a little bit about the announcement that was made today.
Yeah, the announcement today was the AFIN, the Alberta Forage Industry Network, have announced that they're going to close shop at the end of June. And some of the responsibilities that AFIN has been carrying will transfer over to ARECA. And ARECA, in turn, will be working very closely with the commissions, BCRC, others, in trying to make sure that we still get good action, good push forward on the forage side of things.
So tell our listeners a little bit about what ARECA is and where, how this fits in really nicely with what ARECA is currently doing.
Sure, you bet. ARECA is the Agricultural Applied Research Associations of Alberta. We work with all these different forage and applied research groups around the province. They're all led by producer boards. ARECA itself is led by a producer board. Forages is one of the priorities of the associations, largely in the aspect of the ruminant industry, be it the dairy, the beef, the sheep, those sorts of things, and in the whole areas of soil health. So we think that aspect in terms of research and extension is a good fit for ARECA to be active with our member associations to try and make some good things happen on forages. That'll involve some advocacy work, certainly pushing forward on the research agenda, trying to see if we can't get some more investment into research, and pushing forward on the extension agenda, working directly with the producers and the ag business people on trying to let's make another buck out of forages if we can't find a way to do that.
Right, and today we're at Gateway Research Organization's 50th anniversary, and you've been involved with the research associations for a really long time. In that time, where have you seen forages kind of transition? What have you seen happen, and where do you see that kind of going in the future?
Forages kind of come from, I'm going back to the 70s here, but it was almost a forgotten crop. Yeah, we put forages in because we needed a crop rotation, so I guess we'll put some cows out there and make use of it. And that was sort of how it was. And then a lot of the producers said, hey, I think if we put a good level of management to forages, we just might surprise ourselves and put a little money in the bank and that type of thing. So that's what led to the whole push with the forage associations getting going, was how can we come up with technologies, with practices, with management approaches to management on forages that are going to just put some more dollars in the bank account, make the soil a little better, and have sustainable systems for the long term. And so what I've seen happen on the forage side of things in terms of the industry side is the farm industry sort of is no longer just a forgotten piece, but hey, this could be a money-making piece. This is a vital piece in terms of long-term sustainability in terms of our businesses. And so let's work as hard on it as we do as on our canola and our pulses and our barley and our wheat and those sorts of things. That's the big change in the mindset that I've seen. And now how do we get the corresponding investment into research and extension that helps the farmers to make a better mile down that road than to simply, well, let's hope that it happens.
Well, thank you so much, and that was Alan Hall on Real Agriculture.